This is the chapter 1 lesson 1 quiz video. I'm about to go over this super quickly, so you need to pause the video if you are having trouble following along. Okay, so if you got less than 70, you should be watching this video. We went over this in class. It says, what is the distance traveled to point A? Okay, so you can see here, this is where the origin or the reference point is, and you go here, you can see that it's 40 meters. It says, what is the displacement? Remember, displacement is a vector, so you need size and direction. The size, again, is 40 meters, but you can see here, if north is going up, east must be to the right, so the displacement is 40 meters east. Here it says, what is the distance traveled to point B? You went 40 meters here, then 30 meters there. 40 plus 30 is 70, so the total distance traveled to point B is 70 meters. The displacement is the distance from the starting point and the direction. The distance from the starting point, as you can see here, is 50 meters. That direction would be northwest, therefore the displacement is 50 meters northwest. Here, point C shows you that the person has gone completely around the block, and if you add 30 plus or 40 plus 30 plus 40 plus 30, you get a total distance of 140 meters. Okay, so that's the total distance traveled, and because you're back where you started, the difference between where you started and where you ended is 0, so your displacement is 0. Back here, a vector described by size or magnitude, you can put one or both of these, in direction. You should know that. Okay, we've been talking about that a lot. The starting point used to describe the position of an object is called either the reference point or the origin. Remember, if I'm going too fast, please stop this video and write down what you need. Displacement is an object's total distance from its starting point. We just went over that. Distance is the measurement of the space between 2 points or objects. And then it says, denoted by a negative sign or a minus sign, a negative distance is often used to represent an object's distance away from the reference point. So you can use a minus sign to say you're going away. A plus sign would be showing you that you're moving towards it. Displacement is a vector. Okay. And also here, the 3 things you need to accurately describe an object's position are reference point, reference direction, and distance. Thank you for watching. Continue along the flow chart to figure out what you need to be doing.